Hi friends, I'm Emriata. I've been in the Binance affiliate program for years. Today, I'll show you Binance Global, how to trade tokenized US stocks. I will show you step by step how to easily buy and sell SpaceX shares. Feel free to use my referral codes BESTCODEMAX or FuturesMax. Let's move on to the video. Yes, everyone, we are on the Binance main page. First, I'll show you how to open an account using our referral code. I want to show you how to open an account. As you can see, you should see my code in the referral section, or you can type it in yourself. Then create your account with Google, Apple, or Telegram, or by using your mobile phone or email. You can set up your account. Now, for the second step, we must complete KYC verification. Tokenized American stocks, or to trade cryptocurrencies, you are required to complete KYC. And to benefit from other advantages of Binance, you also need to have verified your KYC. Now we need to add money to our account. We come to the wallet section here. We click on the yellow deposit button here. You can select the best option for you here. I select the buy with US dollars option. You can purchase stable coins like Tether or USDC. As you see here, I will show you through Tether now. I selected Tether. I also wrote $500 here. The review order option appears. Click here to complete your purchase. We have now bought $500. With this $500, we'll buy SpaceX, tokenized American stock. So how will we do this? As you can see at the bottom, there is a market section. We click there. From there, we pick TradeFi. See, crypto and TradeFi. From here, we select bStocks. Friends, as you can see, SpaceX appears here. I clicked on SpaceX. This is the trading screen, don't get confused. As you can see below, there are buy and sell options. To buy, I click the buy button. Red colors are sell orders, green colors are buy orders, and the one in the middle shows the current price. Friends, I clicked the red one. I entered $500 and clicked buy. That is how you buy, friends. When selling, I clicked sell. I clicked the first green one on the left side, and I clicked the sell part. That is how easy it is to trade SpaceX tokenized US stock. Yes, friends, you can trade SpaceX tokenized American stocks like this on Binance Global via mobile phone. Everything is that easy. Please do not forget to visit Binance Global's Academy pages. On these pages, you will be able to get information about cryptocurrencies or tokenized stocks. Most importantly, you will learn how to do your own analysis. See you in the next video. Bye.